Welcome back to Serenity. Yeah, it's been a couple of weeks since I uploaded the first video. I thought it was going to be more regular, but well, I'm here again. So, the delay was due to my tank water, which you saw in the last video, was really cloudy. So, it finally cleared up. So, this video is about my setup. So, as you can see, the tank, it's a 12 thick glass, extra clear that and 3 feet by 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet. So I would suggest you to go with at least a 1.5 feet deep tank so that you have more planting area. Don't go beyond 1.5 feet, as you can go, but it will be less manageable. Deep, I will recommend you to go from 1.5 feet to maximum 2 feet, because the deeper you go, the higher light you'll have to provide. Let's move on to the filtration then. As you can see, this is the surface skimmer that I have put, and the filtration is being taken care by one canister filter. I'll show you all the canister and CO2 mess in the following videos. So after a lot of experimentation with outlet pipes, plastic, glass, I finally settled on these stainless steel ones. These look clean, don't get algae much, and yeah, really aesthetically pleasing. This is the inlet pipe. The lights are basically Cisca LEDs. Total cost me about 2500. I built the setup myself. It's a very ghetto setup. I'll show it to you sometime. It's total 90 watts of white 6500 Kelvin bright LEDs, and I keep them on for about 8 hours a day along with the CO2. Let's move on to the soil. In my tank is a mixture of ADA and Tropica. It's a mixture because I had some ADA left over and I bought Tropica and added it to it. So yeah, it's working good, nothing else added. These woods are from my local shop dealer, just generic woods I guess, but they suit my aquarium well, so I decided to use them. I have been using these woods in 2 or 3 setups. This Buddha statue is from Amazon and is a must requirement from my wife. Without this, I don't think she'll allow the aquarium. Yeah, you can see the surface skimmer over here. Surface skimmer is a really important filtration device to remove all the gunk on the top of your water level, and I take care of CO2 diffusing with the help of the surface skimmer itself. I don't use any diffusers, as you can see, and I just attach the outlet of the CO2 to the skimmer. Good diffusion, provides very good diffusion, and you can see the plants are pearling. You can see the surface agitation, which is also very important, because more the agitation, more the gaseous exchange is there. So I'll leave you with a B-roll of my aquarium. Enjoy and see you in the next one. Bye.